All right, we got some fresh asphalt here. You can take a look and see what we got. We'll pour our solution in just a little bit. This is our sludge striker. So what we're doing is getting this stuff liquefied. All the asphaltenes and oil that's on the rocks. We'll let this sit for a second. Maybe got a little grass in there too. Alright. Now I'm gonna go get some water poured in there and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so now we're going to pour the water in it. Casey, get on the... You can see what's immediately happened. You see a layer of oil, all the solids down at the bottom. You can even see some molecules of oil forming on top of some of the rocks. Oh, there we go.